Welcome to IQS Quiz. Today we're playing Guess the Logo. Think you can guess them all? Stay until the end for the hardest logo. Like, subscribe, and let's begin. Can you guess this logo? It's WhatsApp. Nice. Can you name this logo? It's Instagram. Great. What about this one? It's Netflix. Easy. Can you guess it? It's Snapchat. Well done. Here's the next logo. It's TikTok. Awesome. Can you name it? It's Subway. Good job. Guess this logo. It's Domino's. Nice one. What do you think? It's Roblox. Great. Can you guess this? It's Spider-Man. Cool. Look carefully. It's Tesla. Nice. Who's next? It's Ferrari. Amazing. Can you guess it? It's Shell. Good. Here's another one. It's Taco Bell. Haha. Don't miss this one. It's Wendy's. Nice. Can you name it? It's Google Translate. Good catch. Only a few left. It's Nike Air Jordan. Awesome. Getting harder now. It's Volkswagen. Well played. Can you guess this logo? It's Dunkin' Donuts. Great! Second last one. It's Quaker. Impressive. Final question, the hardest one. It's Monster. Wow, that was so much fun, right? How many did you guess correctly? Comment below and share your score. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting challenges, and check out the next video for even more food fun. Can't wait to see you there.